So maybe this next one will help you understand the whole with respect to a variable idea, because we could actually differentiate with respect to any variable, but I have to check to see, do the variables in the equation match that? And I'm going to write everything with a dt on the bottom now. So it'll be d whatever my variable is, so d variable that I'm working with respect to t. So in this next one, I don't even have any t's, so I'm going to have a lot of d something dt's. So I'm going to start with the first one, so I want to power down, so that'll be 2x, and then the derivative of x with respect to t, because I don't have a t, plus, and then this is a product rule, so I have to do first times derivative of the second, but that's going to be dy dt when I power it down, because remember it's a y to the first, and I power down, I'll have 1 y to the 0, and then dy dt, and all of this is just 1, so that's why it's dy dt. And then plus second times derivative of the first, but for the same reason, that's x to the first, so when I power down, I'll have 1x to the 0, and then dx dt, but this is all just 1, so it's really just dx dt. And then derivative of a constant with respect to a variable, where there's no variable in there, so it's always just 0. And then, since it doesn't actually say what I would like to collect, so in this particular case, I could either get the dx dt's by themselves or the dy dt by itself. But since I have no directions, then I'm just going to stop right there. I have taken the derivative implicitly. I just don't know which particular one I would like by itself. Do I want dx dt by itself or dy dt by itself? The directions don't say.